going on, everybody? So I'm on this pickup vlog today, pickup vlog style. First, hopefully of many, but I finally hit on something, so I'm gonna go pick that up. I'll be back with you in a few. Yeah, so I just picked them up, got them, taking them home. Wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. So I'll see you. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Mills, and I am back with another video for you guys. Today I have an actual pickup vlog, as you can see from the beginning of this video. So I was able to hit on the sneakers pass. I don't know how, maybe just luck, I guess, or I really don't know, but anyway, so I was able to hit on that. So as you saw, I picked them up. Relatively easy process. There was no line. I went like about an hour after it said you're supposed to pick everything up, and I was in there. So there's the bag. You know what it is. Nike.com. Finally, I hit on something from them, but I really want to get into this shoe. It's a really hard shoe to get. I tried this morning. I was gonna do a live cop video, but I figured, why do a live cop when I was gonna get an actual pickup vlog video? So when I got them, and here they are. Size 12 US, men's US 12, and Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white, black, university blue. Retail was $170. Comes in your standard Nike black box, which is bunch of numbers right there, like they always do, stamp them up. But man, this shoe, the way they put this one together, just crazy, man. I mean, it would have been kind of crazy if they would have done leather instead of suede on the Carolina blue. I call it Carolina blue, yeah, it's university blue, but we all know what it's about. You got that suede right there, as you guys can see, wrapping all around. This leather seems really, really good. It got some nice tumble leather on there. Let's see if you guys can see that. That's some nice tumble leather. You got it on the panels and on the toe. It's really nice, man. They did a really good job with these. Even the swoosh, even this part, the ankle collar too. It's nice and plush. It's not that soft. And then of course you got your nylon tongue, and then your Nike Air right there, which is always a good thing. They come with the extra university blue laces right here. I probably won't throw those in. I kind of like the black laces, but who knows, maybe. And then of course your bottom, you got your Nike Regular Jordan 1 sole down there. But this shoe, man, I was surprised how hard it was to get. Most people didn't get it. Had a hard time getting it. This is your inside, so you guys can see. Got your Nike Air in there. Got your size sticker. Got a size 12 size sticker. So, I'm really digging these, man. This is a pair that I wanted. I saw them. I was like, alright, I'm gonna try. Cause I mean, I never hit, but I didn't know they were doing a sneakers pass. So when I got through on the sneakers pass, I was surprised, man. I just grabbed the first store that came up, put size 12, hit submit, and lo and behold, I got lucky and it came back and it said now reserved. Pick up Saturday between 11 and 7 p.m. 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. So. And my pair has relatively no defects that I can see on the shoe. Let me pull out the other one for you guys so y'all can see. But yeah, like I said, there's no defects on here. Everything looks good. Everything's clean. You got the front, the back, and the sides, and you got your insole. Everything is clean with these, man. This leather, I don't know, man. This might be a good one of the best leathers they've put on a Jordan 1 in a while, as you can see from here. Check out the front and the sides and the back. It even has that same like tumbled leather on the collar. You see it there? But it's black tumbled, and then also the swoosh is like another black tumbled leather on there as well with the black swooshes. I really like this colorway. I think it really brings out the whole North Carolina feel and vibe. So I'm rocking with it. I think this is a crazy one. And it shows, it reflects in the numbers, because the numbers you got about, they're going for like $450 now, I believe, on StockX if you check. I know some people don't like when people quote StockX and whatnot, but I'm just trying to show y'all that the people that want the shoe are really paying for it. And like they say, the resellers don't drive the market. It's the buyers, man. Because if you buying them at $450 instead of holding off, you're part of the problem too. So it's not that simple to just say, oh, it's all the resellers' fault, but it's their fault that they get them and they hoard them and whatnot and buy them all out. But I think that the way that Nike did this one, it worked out okay for me. I was able to get on sneakers. Did any of you guys hit on these? Anybody else scoop up a pair? Did you hit on the sneakers released this morning? That was also now, I didn't hit on that either. So I was lucky enough to at least get one. Nowadays you gotta be lucky to just get one. This is like the lottery now. You get one and you hit the lotto. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.